Involved in the NFT space. How did that journey come about? Like musicians, like hip hop musicians.
Definitely, because there's a way to make some good money. There's a way for you to maintain the ownership of your records. You don't have to split nothing with no labels or anything. You are who you are when you put your music out as an NFT. You know what I mean? And only thing with that is if you're not a hard worker in your space and if you don't know what it is to be an independent artist, or if you don't have the influence to gain the attention of the fans, then NFT might not be as profitable for you as right now. But it's always up for the duration of life, so hopefully
a lot of it is marketing, right? Because I mean, the engineering part is not that difficult. I mean, how do you go about selling your NFT? What does Jim Jones do?
Well, for me, I got a lot of influence. Social media, television, radio, so it works a little bit different for me as opposed to somebody who doesn't have the influence that I have. My whole career was built on marketing. Years ago, I would say roughly, he said, I want to introduce you to something called NFT. Probably won't understand what it is right now. It's more of a techie type of nerd thing. He said, I want you to take a picture of one of your chains that you have or one of your medallions that you have at home and send it to me. So I took a picture on my cell phone and sent it to him. That picture ended up selling for 2 ETH at the time. I think ETH was like $300 or something like that. And that picture's sold numerous times over and things like that. So just having an understanding very early in the game about NFTs has kind of put me in a better position than a lot of people.
Are you thinking of making your music an NFT as well?
I've been definitely thinking about making my music an NFT, but it's so many, I was telling somebody earlier, there's so many different ways that you can do that. So I want to find a comfortable medium where I can use my music as an NFT and also still collect money from the streams and everything that we do at the record label. So you can have two revenue streams running at one time off of one project.